Hello everybody, my name is Crazy Brown Boy here, and welcome to Black Ops 3. I know I did this yesterday, but I really like this gun game mode, so I decided to do this again. Yeah. I feel like I'm a dinosaur, even though I'm a robot. I really do not like this dual wield. Is someone really stuck on the LCAR-9? Oh! Air shot, jump shot, whatever you guys want to call it. I'm so good, because I'm Slim Shady. Where they at? If I go to, like, the middle, I'll probably die, but I'm going to do it anyways. Oh god, no. I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. Run, football. Touchdown! Okay, let's see how this goes. If I'm not talking, I'm probably really focused. So, I hope you guys don't hate on me for that. As I said this from last episode, I'm no allié, I won't do perfect. Oh! I did it! I did not mean to do that! Oh! Oh! The feed though! The feed though! That feed though! Oh god. No. This shouldn't end like this. 94 or 44, yeah. Kinda got this wrong. Please. If I'm mumbling, I'm sorry. I'm really focused as well. Oh god. Gosh. No. I would not die to a pistol. As I said, I got shot by a pistol. Oh no. If you guys saw my last video, I got stuck on this gun. It was a miracle, because I got rid of it. Oh no, someone's gonna come from the roof. I have a horrific aim. And I don't care how many times I say this, but it's horrific. Where the person at? Ah! Dumb! Leave me alone, I just spawned, okay? Like, I'm feeling too, people. Oh god, no. Ah! I'm so sorry I did that. Oh! Please, please, guys. Come into my game. Come into my gun. Oh god. Ah! Really? No! Leave me alone. Don't gotta be so rude. Ooh, ah. Let's go, people. Okay. I thought I was going to die, but I'm probably going to die by this gun, because it has a horrible fire rate. Oh god. I gotta be real careful. Like, I only shot one bullet. You guys saw that. So if I didn't say this, I kind of forgot, but my shoutouts will be my cameraman, big loves, thank you, hugs, kisses. Oh god, no, what? Okay, and Lazy Dude 01, probably said that in my first video, and a new one called White Dynamite, Paintball Master. They've been with me ever since I was a little child, and it was fun. Ah! Wow, I was really bad. Yes, get ready. Oh god. Oh my god. I got wrecked by a phase member. Well, Face is a company now, like. Really? Come on. Gotta be real suspicious right now. Or sneaky. There's this person behind me. Please don't come near me. Don't. Yes. Oh god! Ouch. That ragdoll though. I'm sorry to you headphone users. Man. Oh god. No, no, no. What? Hashtag wrecked. Oh. Oh, what? No. I killed a person, fell off. First thing I was like, what? No, I missed. Yes! I win! Hashtag wrecked! Get wrecked! Yeah! Yes! Gonna see me, I'm a robot! Yes! This is how I do stuff! I'm a winner in life. You missed. I saw that bullet flying. Give you an uppercut, even though that didn't hit you, dope. Okay? So, thanks all of you people, if you're there. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll keep on posting some videos if you like them. So, yeah.